Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Now I'm gonna share with you an iconic and authentic Egyptian dessert. It's called Oum Ali. This milk has been infused with allspice, cloves, and cardamom, and spiced with a little bit, I would say, drizzle of vanilla extract. Now let's assemble this easy peasy dish. I'm gonna take this lovely puff pastry. Listen to that crunch. I'm gonna cut it in pieces. I'm gonna add my sweetened, warm, infused milk. Make sure to cover every bit in the puff pastry or the croissant. Now I'm gonna mix in my nuts. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of pistachio. You can put it whole or crushed, really up to you. Push my nuts inside the dish. Make sure they are evenly spread and distributed. I'm gonna add some whipped cream. Pile high your whipped cream. Look at that. I'm gonna sprinkle my slivered almonds. They're gonna give a nice crunch to the top. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon on top. And I'm gonna add a little bit, just a sprinkle of castor sugar. My dish is ready to go to a preheated oven, 200 degrees, probably no more than 15 to 20 minutes. And I am back with this beauty. Can't wait to dig in. Okay, let's dish out. And it's super delicious, easy to make. Try to make it. Don't forget to leave a comment, and I will be back with another Mediterranean recipe.